Hey everyone, I'm Sairaj. So this is SiteMind. SiteMind is a web intelligence platform that turns live site into the queryable and inspectable knowledge system, like uh, giving an website URL as an input and getting the API key, related like the web pages, and it will collect all the data from the web pages and everything. So I built this cause to get the API from the site we wanted. It's hard to get. So what it does is sitemap crawls through the website and extract the structured artifacts like pages, forms, endpoints, authentication signals, workflows in parallel. So it won't like wait for the page to start first and forms to start and endpoints, not like that. So it will run asynchronized functions to do all these works simultaneously. So next what it does is it's built hybrid knowledge base schematic data, like the script data will be like in stored in a schematic and schematic way in a PSQL. So it has a RAG, so to answers all the queries by asked by the users. So it is only like evidence based. It will answer only basis of what it know about the sites and the evidence it has. It will like hallucination will be less here. So if it doesn't get enough answers, it will just try the re-retrieval, and it has some amazing features. So let me show you the structure how it's work. So in this is the structure of the UX interface. User paste the URL. So next it will the URL will be moved to the backend. In the backend it will work, the work will be happen like using crawl AI and other things, and it is using the some open source LLMs also, like to get the more detailed overview. So next there is a 12 node analysis stack. So how it works here, as you can see, it has some amazing features. The planner is there. Let me show you the code. So here I'm actually running the query here. As you can see, I run a test on the website called here, website called this one. So it's still running. Extract all the details about the websites. So here the backend is running, the front end is running. So this is the whole file structure. This is the agentic structure, and these are the prompts. So this is the orchestra. This is a sandbox structure, as you can see here. The sandbox, how it's containing all these things in this pack. So handlers is there, and there is like lot of things here. So let me show you the how the UI looks like. I'm running the backend and all this data and cache in the Docker. So let me go you. So this is how the UI UX looks. So there is a documentation, API specs, and all that. So if I just paste here URL here, and I can select the level and the maximum depth here till 10. So I'm I'm not gonna like run right now because I'm already running here. So it will take some time to do these all things. So I guess it's scanned 60 pages in a single website. So let me check whether the job is done or not. Here it is queued. So if I hit enter, yeah, the job is completed, as you can see here. So now, so just let me zoom in here. So now I want to view the pages. I will go for pages. if I hit enter, as you can see, I will get all the pages that are present in this site. So there is an other queries like the queries to get the things from the website what we want and other things. So this is the job IDs, jobs. Let me just pull up the things here real quick. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this. Not this one, the endpoints. Yeah, the endpoints. So these are the endpoints, and it shows some which page requires login authentications and all those things. So let me just open this in a UI. Let me just open this quick thing here. So just take this, open, paste it here. It's gonna take some time. I have to search for this ID. Let me go through. Okay, that's great. So I'm going to just copy this. I'll just copy this. This is the site ID. So let me go again. So let me open the UI for that task. Here it is. So if I click enter, so it's gonna open. So I'm gonna just go to the overview. As you can see, so the 60 live pages have been crawled. So forms detected 0, endpoints mapped 1000 endpoints. So if I go to the endpoints, as you can see here, it has login page, it has author, tag, all those get data, get functions here, and the all status are 200. Okay, so that's great. The confidence is 60. What about the post? There are no posts here. Yeah, because there are no forms, that's why. So moving on to the next things. So login authentication, as you can see, the protected routes, there is a login page, and these are the pages that require login authentications. So these are the pages that don't require. So let's move on to the next. As you can see, workflow explorer, this tab explains the API network payloads and other things, as you can see here. So next, moving on to the API speed. So how to use this, as you can see, how to get in this and the JSON format. So it's still showing. Next, the evaluation, the grounding scores and all those precision and recalls, all those the evaluation will be here. Next, moving on to the, so this is SiteMind, that's it. So here the run the workload of this, all those workloads will be here, going on here. So this is backend running here right now. So you can try on your local system. Just go to this GitHub repo and clone this and follow the instructions. That all. Thank you.